I'm asking the team of 5 million to unite once more to defeat what is likely to be this more dangerous and transmissible variant of the virus.
Kua topakina ngā uri mokopuna ki Te Uruora uru, kia ora mai ai rātou. Kei te puku o tēnei o ngā pūrongo, e takoto ake tēnā kaupapa, utonu mai mo tēnei pūrongo. Uru I te ora o te tangata.
Ka Uruora is a kaupapa that gives whānau the ability to be able to understand what financial literacy is, the pathway to home ownership, and also what it means to invest for the future. So that's Ka Uruora wrapped up.
Ka Uruora is made up of 3 components. The iwi saver, where you can put money aside for your mokopuna, from your mokopuna right up to yourself. We worked on the $2 a week minimum, so that would be just over $100 a year, and then the iwi would contribute as well, so $1 for $1. And then the next component is the financial literacy, budgeting, how to make best use of the money, which is a limited resource, right? And then moving into the housing, which is made up of this being able to access shared equity, once you've completed the financial literacy, as they have done here with this whānau.
E kaupapa I tupu mai te wakaora I ngā uri o te iwi.
Ko Toi Foundation, e pute anui ko tukuna, ko te puni kōkiri, kei reira tonu tō rātou tiaki, he rautaki hanga ware, oko ware tō rātou, o reira hāngai ana. Tumu kāinga, te tahi wāhanga I roto I te tumu pairua, anō tō rātou tautoko, me te pēke, TSB Bank, tō rātou tautoko ki te wānau, I roto I ngā whiringa wāinga I te pēke me te wānau ka hoko. Tai atu ki ngā iwi, ko te mahi o te iwi, ko te hono atu ki te wānau, ki te tautoko ki ngā wānau, ki te tiaki, tui ora, kei reira, ki te taha ki te tiaki, ki te wakaako I ngā kaupapa tiaki, o reira e hāpori.
Ko te uru ki te ora o te āpori I tere ai te waka.
We hope that whānau feel empowered, that whānau feel like that they can achieve home ownership for those that don't have home ownership, that they can get their finances under control, and also the saving element, so saving for your mokopuna, for your tamariki, but also for your retirement, because that's not something that we talk about.
The landlords gave us an eviction notice which started the process. We'd already been looking at buying in the area and hadn't even got an inkling of what we were dealing with. Then the iwi approached us and said there was a course that was running called sorted.org.nz. So we went along, sat down, talked to them about it. Once they explained everything that was going to happen, we followed through with it.
Nā te ara o Ka Uruora I māma ai te uarai.
The transformation of the home from when we first moved out until now has been amazing. It's been a total 360 flip. Everything that they told us that they were going to deliver, they delivered, and some.
It's just beautiful, and even though they've done all the renovations and they've done the flooring and everything, you can still see where the kids were running in and out. You can still see where the floor was scratched up by the dogs, and it's still got our essence in it, even though it's all been redone, and it's just beautiful.
E uru te ngā kau ki te ora.
Uru mai a Ka Uruora. Ko tōna kaupapa kia piki te aura o te iwi. Ma te ware māana. Ka māana te ware, ka māana te wānau.
Ko te wawata nui, ka uru atu ko ngā uri ki tēnei kaupapa, ka puta ka ora e, Aroha Broughton Pue, te reo o te uru.
Ko te reo, te take.